What's up? Welcome back to another video. I am going to be doing a video all alone. And it's in a truck. It's 24 hours.
Whoa! You need some help here.
Okay. I guess I can't do this challenge. But this is a new challenge. 24-hour challenge in this truck.
Whoa.
It's pretty big.
You could say.
Look, and then we got the driver's seat. We will not spend most of our time in here. We'll spend most of our time in the party area. It's huge. This door is going to be open, so you're tempted to just go, whee! And there is no bathroom in this truck.
Yeah, and I had to. Oh, it started already. So.
All right, and guys, we will be cutting some hours out because I'm not going to have a 24-hour video. Nobody's going to watch the entire thing, and then nobody will see who's losing.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
And I'm going to win.
Okay. What should we do here? I'm bored.
We're in a work truck. What do you think it's going to be like? Why is there a lacrosse stick? That thing is small. That's a boy's lacrosse stick.
Oh, it's mine now.
What is it?
Do you want it?
You want it? You can't.
It's your dad's.
Yeah.
Did you see this? Oh, wait, it's broken.
Hey, guess what? I have idea. Ding!
Oh!
Whenever you have an idea.
Oh!
Whenever I have an idea, I'm just going to be like, I have idea. Ding!
Wait, let me try.
No.
Hey, it's my turn.
I'm trying to find a little...
Can you drive?
No, I can't drive. Too many light bulbs. Nobody uses the big one.
Yeah. Come on, okay, let me try it. I have idea. Ding!
Wait.
I have idea. Ding!
Wait, no. Ready? Same time.
Okay.
3, 2,
2, 1.
1.
I have idea. Ding! Okay, let's put it back.
I have idea. Ding! I'm going to keep this.
There's skates over here.
Oh, yeah, those are my old skates.
No one's allowed in there.
I'm shutting you in there.
No!
Yeah.
I could get out from there, but...
Yeah, then you would lose the challenge, and then I would win. But everybody knows that I'm gonna win. Hey, I have idea. Ding! Let me win.
Wait, what?
I have idea. Ding! Let me win.
Oh, the cross is so fun.
I'm shaking the entire truck. Hey, let's play some music while we wait.
Wait, I got a new rule.
What?
If you go farther than the black space,
You're done. No, you have to stay in the actual truck. So, if you go, okay, and
yeah.
ready? Let's play some music while we're waiting. All right, this is our first music. Come on. No,
I
use
think-
the trash can. Oh.
Wait, I need to give you ready.
Okay, ready?
Oh, no.
Ready? 1, 2. No, 1, 2.
1, 2.
1,
1, 2.
1, 2.
2.
1, 2. 1, 2.
1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
What? Guys, are you okay? Guys, no more music. Oh, wait. I know. I think it's just because I hit this.
Oh, hey!
1, 2. Okay, no more music.
Okay, no more music. That's what we're going to do.
I don't think we should touch the spray paint.
Wait, what was that? Something just went past.
Oh! He saw a squirrel and he fell out. Guys, I just won the challenge. And guys, do you know that we've cut out 3 hours, so it's 4 o'clock. We started at 1 o'clock and now it's 4 o'clock. Dude, I just won the challenge. Goodbye, guys.